Hello Aquarius, how are you all? I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. This is your bonus love messages for December 2020. I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing. You are safe wherever you are in the world. I'm sorry I'm having hiccups. I don't know who is remembering me, but someone is remembering me a lot. I'm having hiccups. Okay. So let's start. This is your bonus love messages, bonus love reading for December 2020. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition. I'm very sorry, my hiccups. Okay, wait. Who is remembering me a lot? I don't know, but I'm having hiccups. Okay. Okay, let's start your reading. Let's start. What are your bonus love messages? And I don't read reversals, Aquarius. Gender is not specific here. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. New vision. I have already uploaded your main reading and also your extended reading, so you can have a look on that. Bottom of the deck, I'm having letting go. Let go of the past, Aquarius. Let go whatever you are holding on, because you are having a new vision. New vision is coming towards you. New things are coming towards you. New opportunities, new change. I can say that new things are coming for you. Okay, then there is comparison. Don't compare yourself with other, Aquarius. You are unique. Every single person on this planet earth is unique. Okay, is different. You cannot compare yourself with others. Okay, do not compare. Maybe some of you are comparing yourself with others, so don't compare yourself. Okay, what are the messages? Okay. The message is totality. Okay, totality. Okay. Then there is thunderbolt. Tower movement is happening for sure in your life. This is the fourth time I'm having the tower card for you, Aquarius. Something is shaking up your life so that some beautiful changes which are important, which are necessary, that can be made. Okay, divine is intervening in your situation, and after this thunderbolt, after this tower movement, the rebirth is taking place. The rebirth is taking place. So new life, Aquarius. I can say that ending of old things and beginning of new things is happening for you. Do not control your mind. Control is there. Do not be more up in your mind. Okay, don't be more up in your mind. Maybe you are experiencing something right now. You're feeling not good at all. You're feeling very sad. Okay, but do not be more up in your head. Okay, I can say that. Don't be up in your head. Nothingness and intensity. Right now, some of you, Aquarius, has to do nothing. Okay, because there is lot of intensity which is there. Okay, for you. Trust is there. Okay, so let's see any other message. Understanding is here. So yes, universe understand, and you have to understand this, Aquarius, that you are not alone. Okay, you are not alone in this world. Universe, no, universe is watching you. Okay, universe is watching you. Divine is watching you. You just have to keep have a control on your mind thoughts. You are fighting a lot. Can you see there are two men which are fighting in the back of the picture? So you are fighting with your own thoughts a lot. So stop fighting with your mind thoughts, okay? Stop fighting with your own demons, I can say that, okay? Stop creating those energies. Don't think a lot. You are thinking a lot, okay? Then there is existence. Yes, universe knows that you exist, okay? You exist in the universe, and you also has to understand that every single human on this planet earth, every soul has to understand this, that universe divine knows that you exist, okay? You are not alone, Aquarius. Okay, then there is friendliness and success. Wow, success is coming towards you, Aquarius. Can you see there is friendliness and the success card is here? Okay. Let me adjust my cards. And I'm very sorry that my hiccups were there. But I was waiting for 1 hour, I can say. Not 1 hour, but half an hour, I can say that. I was waiting that so that it can go and I can start your reading. Okay. Then there is completion and there is healing. So you are requiring some kind of healing, Aquarius. Okay. Just you are completing some kind of cycle, I can say. There is a completion here. You just completing a cycle. The world card is here. You're completing a cycle. Some of you Aquarius are required healing, and if you are already doing it, then it's very good. Then there is clinging to the past, and bottom of the deck I'm having sorrow. Don't cling to the past, okay? Don't cling to the past. Let go of the past. Don't be in this energy of sorrow, feeling guilt, 5 of cups energy. Don't hold on to the past. Just learn from the mistakes if you have committed. 0707 was the recording reading time. Whatever has happened, just learn from it and move in a forward direction, Aquarius, because you are getting more mature than before. Maturity is there. Then there is turning in and there is receptivity. Okay, you just have to be more open so that you can receive all the loves, all the things, all the downloads which are getting downloaded. Okay, maybe there are inner demons, there are things which are trying to stop you, okay, but you are not going to, you has to be control on yourself. Okay, you are turning into something very beautiful, and that is this. You're getting more mature, you're getting transformed into butterfly. Okay, just then there is postponement and there is past lives. Okay, maybe there is someone with whom you are having a past lives, Aquarius. Past life connection is here, and there is a postponement. Maybe there is something in which there is a postponement happening. Okay, but there is someone around you with whom you are having past lives, and this past life cards are always come whenever I do your reading. Okay, whenever I do your reading, your past life connection card always come for you. Okay, see again, the sorrow card has come for you. You are the source of your life, Aquarius. You are the source of your life. That's why this postponement card is coming, because if you are still going to be attached to this sorrow, guilt, sorrow energy, this kind of energy, clinging to the past, if you're not completing your healing and all, this postponement will happen. Okay, postponement will happen, and you are not going to receive whatever you are going to receive. So you just have to be more open. That's why there is a receptivity here. Be more open so that you can receive love, you can receive healing. Okay, then there is participation, flowering. Beautiful, Aquarius, you're getting transformed. Transformation is taking place in your life. Transformation is going on for you. There is participation, there is flowering. You're getting converted into very beautiful flower. Can you see? You just need to participate in the process of transformation. Beautiful messages are there for you. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. So let's see. And I'm going to do one more thing today, that I think I'm going to divide the bonus readings into two parts, okay, so that I can cover every single messages which I am getting for you. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Adjacent possibilities, maybe there are possibilities, adjacent possibilities which you have to make, okay. Then there is an angel of balance and there is a storm warning, okay. There is storm warning, there is angel of balance which are coming for you, okay. Balance is coming back in your life. Whatever the things which were happening in your life, that is going to end, that is going to end, because angel of balance is coming for you. Any other message? And way, okay, there is someone around you, Aquarius, who is jealous for you, with you. So keep an open eye, keep an open eye from those energy, okay. There is someone around you who is not happy, okay. Right now you just have to rest and rejuvenate, because victory is coming for you. Beautiful, beautiful messages. You need to rest and rejuvenate yourself. Victory is coming for you. Just stay away from this kind of energy. And way is there, that may be a storm warning for you, okay. That can be a storm warning, that there is someone around you who is jealous, who is not at all happy by seeing you victory, okay. Any other message? No. Any other message? Community. So community is working with you so that you can get victory, Aquarius, okay. Can you see here, the victory is here, the community, the angels, the guides, the gods, the divine, the universe, everyone is working with you too, so that you can get your victory. You just need to rest and rejuvenate yourself, okay. Any other message? Beautiful. Three major, beautiful, very positive, I can say that, Aquarius, okay. The man holding a heart, cornucopia and the sun. Three major, beautiful, positive, most strongest, powerful cards I have received today for you. There is someone around you who is trying to give you heart, okay. There is someone around you who loves you, Aquarius. They want to start a relationship with you, and this is your divine counterpart, okay. They love you, they want to offer you their heart, okay. And cornucopia is all about abundance of everything, okay. This is the very good fortune which is coming for you. Can you see the whole picture, how it is? Can you see, it is all full of everything. This is the very beautiful message for you, okay. Then there is sun again. New beginnings are happening for you. New happy beginnings are happening for you. And that's very good. Because new beginning in life, new beginning in love, new beginning in career, it is happening for you. Maybe you are thinking, bottom of the deck I'm having thinking woman and walking away. Maybe some of you Aquarius are thinking that you has to walk away from a person, from a situation, from a relationship. So you are thinking a lot about that thing. So you should take that step, Aquarius, because beautiful things are coming for you, I can say that, okay. Maybe right now you cannot see that, but this is coming for you, Aquarius, and that's very beautiful. Can you see, this is very beautiful, I can say. If you are thinking to walk away from a toxic person, okay, you're thinking, see, right, all tied up, indecisionness. Bottom of the deck I'm having two of swords and eight of swords energy. You're feeling restricted, stuck. you are unable to make a decision, and I'm going to help you out that you want to walk away from a person, from a relationship. Okay, that you are unable to make a decision, but you has to walk away, Aquarius. Maybe there is a person who is man holding a coin, can you see? And I had a caring connection. There is a caring connection. Maybe some of you, Aquarius, are having choice in your relationship. Maybe you are having one and two choice, one and two energy around you. Okay, but you want to walk away from this man holding a coin. Can you see a man holding a coin? They can only offer you financial stability, money offers maybe, but they cannot offer you love, Aquarius, because that's what they are having. They can only offer you, they're having a coin, and they can offer you that. Okay, but you are having a caring connection, and here it is, a man holding a heart. Some of you, Aquarius, are having a choice to choose between two relationship, between two persons. There are two persons here, there are two energies here. One is man holding a coin, and one there is man holding a heart. That's why you are indecisive, all feeling restricted, stuck. You are unable to make a decision whether to choose this direction, whether to choose this direction. But use your intuitions, Aquarius. Okay, use your intuitions. They both are different. Can you see? They both are very different personalities. Okay, can you see clearly a picture? They both are very different. This one is the loyal romantic one, and this one is the practical one. Oh, and the one who knows, who can handle money matters, who can be maybe financially stable, grounded. This is the one. So there are two opportunities, two person for you. Beautiful messages. I love today's reading for you, Aquarius, whether I do your bonus reading or I do your main reading. Can you see this? How beautiful it is. The sun and the caring connection is happening for you. You're getting victory. What else you want? You're getting victory, success, recognition. Wow. There is cornucopia. This is the best. Good luck, fortune is coming for you. You just have to take care of this energy. Maybe there is someone around you who is jealous, who is not happy with you. Okay, who is feeling jealous with your life, from your life, I can say that. Okay, so let's see. Thank you so much, Energy Oracle deck, for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Yeah, see, again the World and Beware card has come for you. Celebrations is here. Okay. The first card is World card. Again, you're completing a cycle. The completion of cycle is here. Be open to new possibilities in all area of your life, Aquarius. The World card is here. Then there is Beware. Be careful who you trust at this time. There is someone around you who is not good at all, who is a chameleon, who is jealous. Okay, so trust. If you're trusting someone, can you see there is green color here, and again the green color is here. I don't know whether I just combine these two, but that's my intuition is telling me that just be aware. Okay, beware of those personalities. Okay, there is someone around you who is not good for you, who's feeling jealous. Okay, beware of those kind of energies. Okay, then there is unity, a time of divine understanding, renewal, peace and hope. You radiate and attract great love. Reconciliation is happening for you. That's why there are celebrations. Okay, celebrations are coming. Can you see how beautiful it is? Then there is Dragonfly. Have confidence during this time of great joy, renewal and connection to the spirit. Okay, Dragonfly is there. So the World card is there. You're completing some kind of cycle. Just beware of anything. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the death and the sun. Beautiful. You are ending old cycles and you're starting a new cycle. There are happy beginnings. There are happy beginnings, happy new beginnings happening for you. There are cracker and there is chariot. Beautiful messages for you. Positive energy surrounds you. Love, joy and good fortune are waiting for you, my Aquarius. There is something in which you will be very happy. You will feel very happy, Aquarius. And there is chariot. Charge ahead with confidence. Stay strong and be focused. Move in a forward direction. Move in a forward direction. Stay focused. So these are the messages for my lovely Aquarius from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Fairy of Oracle, and I will close out this reading. I will make one more video in which I'm going to do the rest messages. Okay, let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Help me out to deliver the messages. Okay, bottom of the deck, I am having wish wisely. Okay, wish wisely is there. Use your wishes wisely to manifest your heart desires and take practical steps towards making your dream come true. So wish wisely, Aquarius, because whatever you will wish for, you are going to receive it. You are going to manifest it. So make a clear wish, make a clear wish, I can say that. Okay, make a clear wish so that universe will able to manifest, will send you that thing to you. Okay, if you send mixed signals, if you're not clear in your mind, in your thoughts, in your energy, then you cannot be able to manifest that thing in your life. So the first message for you is fairy spotting. It's time to go fairy spotting. It's said that seeing is believing, but in fact the opposite is true. Believing is seeing. Okay, there is a fairy around you. Fairy spotting message is there. Fairy spotting is there. 2222 was the recording reading time. Who is there to help you out? You are not alone at all. Then there is solitude. Think of being alone as meaning you are all one and in total harmony with everything. The greatest treasures are those that wait silently during your quiet times. Beautiful message for you. Then there is wisdom. Have you ever been told that you are wise beyond your years? Now is the time to call upon your inner fairy wisdom to help you with the challenge. And that's right. You have become more wisdom, Aquarius, day by day. Okay, so maybe there is a challenge in which you have to use your wisdom. So use your wisdom. Okay, there is a message for you. Then there is motivation. When spring approaches, the flower fairy urges you to spring into action. Is there something you have been merely thinking about doing? Then say, get busy and do it. Okay, some of you Aquarius may be thinking of doing some new projects, new opportunity. Maybe you are thinking to change your career. There is a confirmation that you can change it. You can do it, Aquarius. You just have to start that and get busy with that. Okay, so start whatever you are thinking to start. I don't know for who this message is, but there is a message for someone who needs to listen this message of motivation. There is something which they want to start, so you can start it, Aquarius. That's a confirmation. Okay, so these are the bonus messages for you, lovely Aquarius. I'm going to make one more video because there are many messages which are left for you. So I'm going to make one more video and I'm going to upload in part second. Okay, I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Sending you lots of love and light to all my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius, all over the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.